when are we going to reflect that upon ourselves and adapt accordingly rather than thinking we're still at the top of the food chain?
First of all, maybe I would like to mention that the problem is again, we were talking about this anthropocentrism and our arrogance that we are the top of the evolution. Yeah, skills and knowledge is the most developed on the planet because, again, I first of all, I wanted to speak about whales and dolphins, and I have colleagues and friends who spent years and decades on working with dolphins and whales, and they have a very, so they registered a very complex social structure and system of interaction in this civilization, I would say, in their species. And again, we are looking at cosmos and at space, but we don't know anything at almost anything about the underwater of our oceanic life and what is happening there. But again, even not go into such a specific area, we also discussed not long ago dogs who have absolutely incredible telepathic abilities because they feel and they sense and they can predict their changes in the conditions, and these dogs can sense, understand, and predict the changes in the condition of the child with autism and help a child to manage with this condition.
Isn't this how nature, I mean, nature isn't destructive. Yes, it seems like it because it goes through changes and it has its cycles. However, it's all life friendly. And this interconnectedness, the energy, the emotions, the thoughts, when are we going to reflect that upon ourselves and adapt accordingly rather than thinking we're still at the top of the food chain?